What's up, guys? Welcome back to Classic Octane. I am Taylor. So today we are taking a quick break from the KZ because I wanted to make my quick announcement video. So I'm just going to shoot this as one video, no editing, just one solid clip. So excuse me if I kind of fumble around a little bit, but I wanted to just kind of get all the information out there, get it to you guys, and then kind of get back to work. So the big announcement is, as of roughly 2 weeks ago, I am officially full-time Classic Octane. So very, very exciting. It's something that I've been working towards for a couple of years, as a lot of you guys know. I wasn't sure when the timing was going to be right for it to happen. It's one of those things that, kind of never feels like the right time, because it's very stressful kind of leaving a secure, good job for trying to pursue your passions. But at my old company, the kind of opportunity came up for me to kind of step away on good terms, and not kind of leave them in a bad position, and me kind of, set myself up to be able to really give this a shot. So I took that opportunity. So after a lot of kind of talking with my wife and kind of going through everything, we decided now's, as good a time as any. I've been fortunate enough to be able to build out this shop over the last month or so. So I have the space to be able to pursue it. I already have a lot of bikes kind of ready to be built. So that's not an expense as far as already having the bike. So it's just going to be time and parts and that kind of stuff to get those bikes to a point where they can be sold. Full transparency, the revenue from this business is not where it needs to be for this to be sustainable long-term yet. But we were able to kind of get ourselves a little bit of a runway to kind of run after this thing full steam and try to see what we can build over the next couple of months through the end of the year, and then we can kind of evaluate from there. But the idea is that I can do kind of YouTube as the majority of the revenue. So that's going to be making tons of videos, at least I would say 3 videos a week you can expect. The videos will be primarily about working on cars and motorcycles, of course. I'm not going to be that vlogger that takes you guys to the grocery store and the post office and just like has a whole video where you just follow me for the day and I didn't never touch a bike. Don't worry, you're not going to see videos like that, but they may not all be working on bikes. We may have a tour of a local motorcycle shop, or I may go to an event where we race the bikes, or I build the car and we take it drag racing or whatever. So it should be a pretty healthy mix of how-to videos, project videos of just showing you guys general kind of building of a bike, kind of like what we've been doing the last couple of ones. Of course, we're going to be getting into car content, and then again, that last part I just mentioned of having a few kind of events and other stuff outside of the shop that we go to, and I look forward to showing you guys that. So I'm really, really excited about the possibility. Again, it is a nerve-wracking thing. So a couple of other announcements in regards to that. I did go ahead and fire up a Patreon account. So I haven't mentioned it anywhere. I haven't put that link anywhere until now. This is going to be the first video. I include it in the description. I'll probably go back to some previous videos and add it as well. So I'm not one that's going to, constantly every video be like, please become a patron. It's one of those things that I wanted to fire up because, if 2 of you guys want to support me on there, it's worth doing. I haven't finalized or really even kind of figured out the exact details of what you're going to get as a patron, to be honest with you. Some people go as far as, I guess putting out a video early on the Patreon site to give people kind of early access to stuff. I'm thinking more like a discount on any parts or clothes or anything like that I'm going to have on my site. Maybe when I'm finished with bikes, I will kind of give my patrons first dibs on being able to buy it. It seems like every bike I get close to finishing, I have people reach out that want to buy it, which is incredible. So maybe we'll give the Patreon people kind of first dibs at that. I don't know. But to be honest with you, I'll have to kind of figure that out as we go. But I will include a link in the description if anybody is so inclined to support me on this journey. I will be kind of, very, very appreciative of that. The other thing is I did go ahead and get a P.O. box as well. I have a couple of kind of companies that wanted to send me products to review and check out, and it just kind of made sense to set up a P.O. box instead of giving a lot of people my personal address for obvious reasons. If I'm obviously very open about showing you guys what I have, I don't want that just to be out, in the public. So I did fire up a P.O. box. I will include that address in every video description from here on out. So if you guys have anything you want to send me, stickers, you guys have a channel or a business or something that you want to send me little stickers or something, I'll put them up in the shop. It'd be cool to send like license plates if you have like motorcycle license plates from old projects. You know, I kind of want to build a wall of like license plates from a bunch of different states and just kind of fun stuff like that. So I'll throw the P.O. Box address in there as well. I think that's it. I think that's the kind of meat of the you know, the announcement. I wanted to kind of let you guys know. I didn't really know how to come out and say it, and I wanted to finalize things, and I kind of hinted at it, and a couple of you have kind of guessed correctly that this is what we're doing. So I hope you guys will kind of support me in this journey. You guys have been awesome so far. I always appreciate the kind of positive comments and thumbs ups and stuff on the videos. So expect to see a lot more of me soon. Now, if you don't mind, I got to get back to work on this, KZ.